Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing Mommy's nails.
So I'm back and I've added some more colors to my double dip collection. The first color that I added is Babylicious. The second color is Be Fierce. It's like a gold glittery color. And the last color is Vibin' and Thriving. Now I thought this color was gonna be more solid blue, but it has a little shimmer to it. So I applied my tips off camera and I filed my nails, and I'm adding some nail dehydrator and primer. I do prime my nails 2 times. If you want to see how I do that, I'll put the link in the description box. So at first I was going to do hot pink on majority of my nails and one nail gold, but I got so excited and so ahead of myself, I ended up doing this whole hand gold. So yeah, and the technique that I'm using, I actually saw on YouTube someone do this, and it helped build an apex so your nails aren't so flat. So to all of my nail lovers out there, I have some great and exciting news for you guys. Double Dip Nail Company is giving away dip colors. So all you got to do is join this group on Facebook. I'm going to link it in the description box. You'll receive a bingo card. And with that bingo card, every day they'll announce 5 colors. You get to mark off this card each day. And once you get the correct bingo, then you win colors. They're giving away up to $2,000 worth of dip powders. So if you're interested and you're into nails, this is your chance to get some free stuff and get yourself going. Stockpile all of that. So I'm excited, just letting you guys know. I will put all the details in the description box. But please let me know what you think of these nails. I definitely enjoyed working with this dip powder. Like I said before, people who watch my channel, I'm not a dip fan. So for me to come back to something, I love it, y'all. I'm telling you, like it's a really easy system, and their kit comes with everything you need. So you're not having to buy bits and pieces from other people. So definitely hands down my favorite dip powder collection. So I just wanted to share that news with you guys. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you thumbs up this video. And if you like this video, now y'all, let me tell you now before I forget, I don't like the color gold. So I'm gonna be honest with you. But you know, for what it's worth, I think they came out pretty cute, okay? I'm not a big gold fan, but I think they came out pretty cute. I definitely next time will be doing the hot pink. So go ahead and keep a lookout for that. That video will be dropping soon. And make sure, like I said before, that you subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Mila B, out.